We're gonna play, what are we gonna play tomorrow? Let me think, let me think. So, we're gonna play Roblox, Roblox Beach Swim Simulator tomorrow, guys. I'll see you when you watch that video.